everyone, welcome to my channel. I know I look very different because I've cut my hair, but coming to the point, I have got some products that I'm going to show you. These are basically empties, but these are 2021 empties जो मैं अभी आप लोगों को दिखा रही हूँ. I know काफ़ी late हो चुका है, but भूल जाती हूँ यार. So there are certain products. Okay, ये गिर रहा है. Okay. So these are the products that I'm going to, never mind. So these are the products that I'm going to show it to you guys and talk about it. So yeah, let's get started. So let's quickly talk about the face washes. So the first one I finished is the blueberry oil clear face wash by Himalaya. Such a good product at just rupees 140. Removes your dirt, oil and all the impurities from your skin, but without removing the moisture, which is very important for me. So if you're a teenager and you're low on budget and you want your skin to feel fresh and oil free, get this one, but also moisturized. Get this one and you're sorted. Then I have the face wash from the Plum. This is their chamomile and white tea skin revival face wash. Again, such a good product, but a little bit expensive for the people who are on budget. This is for rupees 495, but if you are dry and sensitive skin, this will be your best friend because it has anti-inflammatory properties from chamomile, which instantly calm down your skin. You know, chamomile is really good for your health also. So if you can afford it, try this out. You're gonna love it. You guys already know how much I love face mask, right? I don't think I have to tell you how much I love them because in every vlog you kind of watch me using face mask at the end of the video. So here I have finished this one. This is from the Innisfree and this is their Volcanic cluster capsule recycle pack. Again, such a good product, and if you're on budget and if you want to travel specifically to somewhere, this one will be the best for you. This is for rupees 150 for one capsule pack. So this is more of like good for winter season because this obviously cleanses your skin, but in a very supple way. Not like, it does not cleanse your dirt, but it cleanses your skin like in a very supple way, but it's good. Like your skin feels very moisturized and your skin feels very soft. So yeah, I love this. Then I have one and only gel body scrub with me. This is by Plum again. This is their Drivin'ME'Cherry gel body scrub. It's a little bit expensive for me personally. Rupees 550 है. थोड़ा सा expensive है यार मेरे लिए, but so worth it. This is like 3-in-1. You don't have to use soap, body gel or exfoliator. This is 3-in-1. ये सबका काम एक ही बार में कर देता है. Okay. Also, I feel like this is good for all the seasons, weathers, not specifically for a certain period. And I specifically recommend this to the boys or men, because I know how lazy you guys are at bathing. Okay, like washing yourself, I know how lazy you are. I see my dad not taking bath in winter for 2-3 days, so I'm telling you, get this one and you're good to go. Then comes my most favorite out of everything, and that is also from Plum, and this is their green tea renewed clarity nigel. You have seen me using this thousands of times in my videos. Yeah, this three I have finished it in my previous summer, 2021 ka summer. And if you're thinking why this is blue in color, that is because Plum ka jo ek candle mila tha mujhe when I purchased on their 6th or 5th birthday I think. तो वहाँ पे मुझे एक बेसिकली कैंडल मिला था जो प्लम का ही है. सो मैंने DIY करके इसको यहाँ पे ऐसे कर दिया. सो या, इट ऑल्सो स्मेल्स लाइक प्लम, लाइक नॉट प्लम ब्रांड बट प्लम, जो एक्चुअल प्लम है उसके जैसे स्मेल करता है. सो आई रियली लाइक इट, एंड मैं इसको यूज़ करती हूँ बुद्धा के सामने रखने के लिए. सो या, माई होल रूम स्मेल्स रियली गुड. सो या, थोड़ा सा एक्सपेंसिव है, बट आई थिंक इट्स रियली वर्थ इट. Because I have got oily skin, and if you have got oily and sensitive skin, get this one, try it out. If you once start using this product, there's no going back to another product in the summer. Then I have this perfume, which is basically a roll-on perfume, which is from Iba. Instagram पे या नायका पे आप देखोगे तो आपको पता चल जाएगा. And this is their Raindrops perfume. It smells really good. ये छोटा वाला टब, इसका प्राइस है 299. थोड़ा सा I think expensive है for this amount. Like this quantity के लिए 299. I think it's a little bit pricey. Okay, so yeah, I don't know how to explain scent, but it smells like aqua with sweetness overloaded. Okay, so if you guys don't know, I love aqua perfume, and ये भी अच्छा ही है, बहुत अच्छा काम कर लेता है. Like it's very easy to carry on your purse, and जब भी आप लोग को मतलब you know, if you're feeling a little low और perfume लगाने का मन किया, so you can take this and just apply it in here and here and here on your points wherever you want. So yeah, it's really good, but it's not that long lasting. But अगर आप कहीं पे जा रहे हो and you need हरी वरी में आपको कुछ लगाना है, like you need to smell good, then you can try this one out. Then I have got two makeup products. Obviously makeup products होना ही होना है मेरे वीडियो पे. So the first one is by Lakme. This is my favorite foundation. This is the Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte, and I use the shade N26 Neutral Honey. It perfectly suits me. I will not recommend this to dry skin type because it is matte. Obviously it's written matte over here, but if you're oily skin type, it is summer and you want something sweat proof, you can try this out. This is really good for its price point. इसका price है 475, but you always get this on discount on Nykaa. कभी कभी तो 299 में भी मिल जाता है. मुझे ये 299 का मिला था Nykaa पे. So yeah, try this out if you have oily skin. You're not gonna get disappointed. The last product of today's video is from MAC. This is their Prep Plus Prime Fix Plus Setting Spray. ये 1200 का है. This छोटा वाला thing. I don't think I have to say much about this because this is like the cult favorite. I bought this pineapple version one, जो मुझे अभी नहीं मिल रहा है कहीं पे भी, not in their official site as well. I think उन्होंने बनाना ही बंद कर दिया है इसको, so I have to get the normal thing only. So but if I have to advise you something or recommend you something, then थोड़े से पैसे बचाकर 1800 का जो है बिगर टब वो खरीदेगा, क्योंकि it will serve you longer in terms of quantity. Yeah, it is so good, like, but अभी मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है, so मैं खरीद नहीं पा रही हूँ. So anyways, yeah, these are the products that I wanted to quickly show you guys that I have finished on 2021. और भी बहुत सारे products हैं जो छोटे छोटे इतने बचे हैं in terms of lipstick, in terms of creams, moisturizer, face washes. बहुत थोड़े मान बचे हैं, but again I'll do that in another video. But thank you for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification so you will get notified every time I upload a video. Okay, bye bye.